In today's video, I'll be reviewing and showcasing Lithium Auto Elixirs Ceramic Slam. This is a lightweight ceramic coating that I'll be applying on this beautiful Porsche Macan. First, I'm going to fully wash it, prep it, and get it ready for the coating. I am not going to polish it due to time constraints, but also on the bottle it says you do not need to polish it. But in my opinion, if you really want the longest durability, you should polish your car. Let's get straight into washing it. I'm going to first foam it down, do a hand wash, make it look nice. The current protection on this car is Colonite 845 wax. It's been on it for about a month and a half. It's pretty much gone towards the bottom half of the panel. Still working pretty well right here though. Just finished foaming down the car. I really wanted to share with you guys a cool tip. So after you take off your foam cannon and you put back on your nozzle, you're gonna want to test it before going back to the car. What I mean by this is do that so in case your nozzle tip thingy is loose, it's not going to fly out and dent the car. Alright, after washing the car, now I'm going to fully decontaminate it. Here's an iron remover. This is specifically Optimum iron remover and Optimum clay towel. So basically, I'm going to do this as a one-step type of thing. Awesome tip I learned from Ivan LaCroix. Basically, I'm going to spray my iron remover. This stuff smells horrible. And it can be used as a clay lube. So I'm going to let that sit for a few minutes here, a few seconds, 30 seconds. I just soaked my clay towel in my soapy bucket, and I'm going to get to work. There's definitely a lot of contaminants here. This stuff is working really well as a clay lube. The one con to this, it's pretty expensive. Alright, once you get a section done, you're just going to rinse it off. Alright, after washing and claying an iron remover using an iron remover, I'm just going to use an IPA solution here, just to get off any residue or, like any of the residue from the soap or iron remover. Now it's time to apply Lithium Auto Elixirs Ceramic Slam spray ceramic coating. You're going to really want to shake the bottles very, very well. Then you're going to want to insert the provided sprayer. Now that we've shaken up our product here, we turn on the on setting on the sprayer here. And for this video, I'm going to do half the car with Lithium Ceramic Slam, and then I am going to do another product on the left side, on my left side of the car, in another video, comparison test. So let's get this started. I'm using this in direct sunlight, although the bottle says not to use it in direct sunlight, but most products say that. I'm just going to show you if it works well in direct sunlight. Today is like kind of a cloudy day. I'd say it's about 60 degrees out. So I'm giving 2 sprays to the microfiber applicator. Bring it in a little closer. I'm working a 2 foot by 2 foot section, a little more. Going in a crosshatch pattern. A little goes a long way. I can tell that already. We're going to be doing a real-world durability comparison of this product versus Turtle Wax ceramic spray coating. So, first I'm going to put this video out as a review, and then in the next video you're going to see some of the same footage, but different video. Alright, it's been a minute. Just going to buff it off. Comes off very easy. Trying to see if there's any high spots. No high spots. It says to let it sit for 5 minutes, up to 5 minutes, but due to the heat, it's slightly hot out, 60 degrees. As I said, it's gonna flash a little quicker. Very, very easy wipe off. Just you want to use a thin amount, because I did a bit thicker over here and it was just a tiny bit harder to wipe off. I'm going to do another squirt. Just for reference, I'm only going to go up to this Porsche logo right here, doing half the hood. Let's get a first person view up in here. Very, very, very smooth to wipe on. It's not like your typical ceramic coating that's an oil-based. This seems to be water-based. Two or three squirts to get through half this panel. That might have been a little bit much, but just for safe measures, I'll put a little bit more on. As I was working with this product, I noticed that there is no scent. That's not a good thing nor a bad thing. Okay, now I'm going to bring you guys in. Here, the product has hazed over and it's ready to be buffed off. It's been on for about a minute and a half. It wiped off pretty smooth. Now you're going to want to let this stuff cure for at least 24 hours before getting it wet with any water to ensure maximum durability of 6 to 8 months. I'm going to finish the rest of the vehicle and I'm going to bring you guys in for our final thoughts when I'm all done.
Also, Ceramic Slam is safe for plastic, trim, windows, metal, chrome, wheels, basically anything on the exterior of your car. It won't stain, it'll just leave a nice shine and hydrophobic protection behind that will last for months. Hopefully you guys can see this. You see all the swirls and scratches right here? There's still definitely swirls and scratches here. It just filled it in a tiny bit more. Alright, so I've just finished, and I'm going to put this pad and this towel that was just used into my bucket so it can stop curing and I can actually reuse this. Right? I'm just going to spray into this towel just like that, and I'm going to let it cure because I want to see if it's going to harden this towel. Alright, this towel got sprayed with the lithium ceramic coating. I wanted to just show you guys that the towel did indeed harden. It's not like rock hard, but you can definitely feel that it's slick on one side and just regularly soft on this side. And now to the final thoughts segment of this video. It was very nice working with this product. It didn't cause any major problems like with application or removal. I liked it. There's no scent, so if that's a deal breaker for you, this is not your product. There's nothing, no harsh scent at all. So I can recommend this to you. Now on to the rating system. This is from Brian over at Apex Detail. He uses this system now, so I thought I'd give it a shot. With the price point at $40, in my opinion, that's a bit high, but if you have the money to spend $40, this is a great product. Therefore, I'm going to put it at impressive. I can't put it at very impressive or go get it now because I don't know the durability to this product, and the price is just a bit high with the other products out on the market. But this is a great product, and I do recommend it. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day. Okay, I have let Lithium Ceramic Slam cure for a bit more than 24 hours, probably like 36 hours now. And I wanted to bring you guys in. The gloss is very, very nice. The slickness is great. But one thing I did really want to point out was that I did get some streaking. And after I've wiped off the product, there was no streaking originally. And then after it had cured, there was a bit of streaking. So I contacted Lithium on Instagram, and they told me that is normal. Not normal. It only happens 5% of the time. I'll post a picture right here on the screen to show you guys what they wrote back. But they told me it's really easy to remove. Just use a damp towel, and it will not affect the longevity or durability. And you can do this right after use of the product as well, and it still will not affect the durability. So I did that, and it worked perfectly. So no complaints there. That's not at all going to affect the rating I gave. And, oh, also, the bottling of Lithium is so cool, and the labels are awesome. Love all of their labels. So that's a huge plus. Let's get into the water beading, water sheeting, whatever you want to call it, hydrophobics, if you will, of this product. So here we have it. You can see me pretty well.